So today we are going to learn about cell, which is a basic fundamental unit of life. What is cell? What is cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Means every organism is made up of cells, and there is no living organism without cell. The cell is a fundamental, means basic unit of life. So we are going to talk about how many types of cell are there. But first of all, we are going to talk about what is unicellular and what is multicellular. Unicellular means when an organism is made up of one cell or single cell. And what is multicellular? Multicellular means when one organism is made up of multiple cells. Okay. So we are going to talk about some examples. So example of unicellular organisms is bacteria. All the bacteria are unicellular organisms. Then paramecium, which is a protozoa. Then yeast, which is a fungi, is an exception because it is a single cellular fungi. Then we are going to talk about multicellular organisms. So all the animals, all the plants, and most of the fungi. Most of the fungi are multicellular. Hello guys. So today we are going to talk about cell. So what is cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. All of us are made up of cells. So it is the basic unit of life. We are going to talk about cell. So what is cell? Cell, as we know, cell is the structural and functional unit of life. And cell, on the basis of cell, organisms are two types, unicellular and multicellular. So what is unicellular? Unicellular means when an organism is made up of single cell. Some examples are bacteria, paramecium, and yeast. So bacteria, all the bacteria are made up of single cells. And paramecium is a protozoa, which is also made up of single cell, and it has two nucleus. Mark the point, it is the most important point, that it has two nucleus. One macro and two micro. Then second thing, yeast. Yeast is also a unicellular fungi, which is an exception. It is an exception. It is the only organism which is single cell in the fungi kingdom. So thereafter we can talk about multicellular. So what is multicellular? When an organism is made up of multiple cells. We all are made up of multiple cells. For example, animals, plants, and examples. Most of the fungi are made up of multiple cells. So all the cells from our head to our toe are made up of cells which are eukaryotic. So we are going to talk about how many types of cells are there. So this is an overview of cell. So what is cell? As we know, it is a fundamental unit of life, and a cell looks like this. After that, we can talk about prokaryotic and eukaryotic. But you first know and see about what is cell. A normal cell looks like this, and it is an example of eukaryotic cell only because it has a membrane-bound cell organelles. So this is nucleus, and inside this, it is DNA. And what is the full form of DNA? Full form of DNA is a deoxyribonucleic acid. Thereafter, these are the disc shaped. These are Golgi bodies. I will tell you the functions of all of these membrane cells after. First of all, we talk about this. Golgi bodies are disc shaped. Then a big circle. This is an vacuole, which helps in storage, and it is these are the storage sac of the cell. Then these are lysosomes. Lysosome also known as suicide bags of the cell. Thereafter, this is mitochondria. And all the students who are non-bio students also know that mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, and these are ribosomes, which are the protein factories, and this is this wave-type structure. This is endoplasmic reticulum, which is two types. Endoplasmic reticulum two types, which are smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum means on the surface of which no ribosomes are present, but in case of rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are attached on the surface. And SER, the work of or the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum is synthesizing different type of lipids, but the function of rough endoplasmic reticulum is it help in protein synthesis.